Now, stability continues across the Caribbean this evening. We do have dry conditions being maintained fully across the Caribbean. There are some isolated thunderstorms which have been developing across the west as a result of some moisture convergence from the easterly winds that have been blowing across the region, but we're not seeing significant shower or thunderstorm activity affect the Greater Antilles at this time. Now, let's have a look at the forecast for tonight, where fair skies are expected across most of the island. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect generally sunny conditions in the morning tomorrow across most of the area. And for the afternoon, we are expecting partly cloudy conditions across sections of inland areas, but it's generally fair elsewhere, with temperatures reaching 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect more sunshine tomorrow across much of the southeast. It's partly cloudy in Maypen and in Mandeville in the afternoon. Across the southwest, expect some clouds if you're in Santa Cruz in the afternoon. Expect clouds also for most of the day for Port Antonio, with some isolated showers in the morning in Port Maria. Elsewhere across the north, expect partly cloudy conditions in the afternoon in Brownstown. Now, the next few days, we do expect generally sunny conditions Tuesday and Wednesday, with isolated showers expected across sections of central and western parishes on Thursday and on Friday. For the marine forecast, on the north coast tomorrow, expect northeasterlies at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, it's east-northeasterlies that are expected at 10 to 15 knots, with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for the offshore areas, the winds are reaching 20 knots from the east-northeast. We currently have no warnings in effect. Expect wave heights to be around 2 meters. And the outlook has the winds from the east-northeast dropping down to about 15 knots on Tuesday. Wave heights getting up to 1.5 meters, with wave heights reaching 1.5 meters as well on Wednesday and Thursday. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.